Hello, today I'm going to use the jelly press that I purchased from the Hobby Lobby, that huge Hobby Lobby haul. I'm going to use the gel press to decorate my Dylusions Creative Journal that I also purchased on that huge Hobby Lobby clearance haul. Now the gel press I did not get on clearance that time. I used the coupon and got it for half price, so it made it $6. I did purchase this. I already opened it, and I took the paper off the journal, and you know I'm gonna keep that because look at that. You can use that in mixed media projects anywhere, so that's nice. You know, I like my product packaging, and I'm gonna put it in my what I use for my glue books. Started this month. Just gonna throw it in there. Alrighty. Now this is my first time working with the gel press. It should transfer. I'm going to do the back. Oh, there was something back here too. Okay. I'm going to put it on the back. Just in case it don't work. But it should. I use the little gel press. The directions. And the gel. First time we remember. Okay. Ooh. It says remove the gel plate, the clear film, and apply paint to the exposed gel plate. I'm gonna keep the other one on there. Alright. Why did I hit it? Okay. Like I say, this should work. And I have some other paper from the tea stain dye. It didn't get all tea stained. Okay. Let's use a lime, and it's watery. Okay. There we go. That came on a product. Alright. Put it on here. Wasn't that much left. Okay. Let's see if it works. Wait. I'm going to use these I purchased from the Dollar Tree. What if I waited? Let's see. I should have waited to get fancy. I don't know. My first time. Bring the book over. Ah, I like. Look. Okay. Put some more. Let's put some yellow. Now I'm scared to mess that up. Oh, guys, recently I made it to over 100 subscribers, and I like to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And I feel very honored that you would want to subscribe to little me. There's so many talented people on YouTube, so thank you that you stopped by my space, and God willing, there'll be good things to come. Alrighty. let me get settled, and there will be good things to come. A lot going on. So let's try this. I like that brown. How that put a little dab of D right there and there. Okay. Circles. Again, you can find these. They're cookie molds. And they're at the Dollar Tree. I was going to let the paint get on here organically. Then I said, no, I'm going to try out the jelly print that I bought. Okay, different. I like. Let's see. Put a little piece up here because I like that yellow. Yep. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put paint. I'm going to try this. Purple in here. I won't be able to do that. That didn't sound attractive. It's just the use it up product, use it up journal, not journal, but book that I pulled out of the $2. Remember when they were $2 at the Michael's grab bags? Ugh. And you actually found good stuff like this. I know some places they do, but not around here. They usually junk, but that time I did. I scored. Oh, I might have to hurry up, y'all, because this may dry. I don't know how. Up here running my mouth. You know I don't mind if it gets paint on the front of that. And you know this isn't probably, this is just the first layer. I don't know what else I'm going to do. But I just wanted to get to play with it. Ooh, I like. Well, that didn't work, but I like. It's a little darker. Let's see. Let's try. I like the yellow and the pink. Get some more of that on there. Oh, it's not open. Didn't I just use yellow? Yeah, I hear it. Okay, that's a little too thick. Let's see. See, is it? Oh my goodness! I just ran my hands in it. Leave her to run her hands through it. Oh boy, let's see if we get here this time. Yeah, I like that. Okay. I like. And I think I'll get that corner. Am I in frame? Ugh. Alrighty. I like that. I like it. And I'm going to put it over to the side to dry. This is just the first layer. I'm probably going to do something more on that. You know I am. Yes. But I like that so far. Get out your aggression and slap it down. No, play with it. Because I may want to make like. We'll do the front cover and the sides the next time, but I just basically wanted to get the front started. I mean the back started. Oh, look at what I've done. Yeah, I like this, the painter paper. All right, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate you guys. And thank you for watching. Bye. Uh-oh, I have to turn the camera off and paint my head. Where are my wipes?